Hi loves, I'm a slowpreneur running my small brand strategy business, and today I'm taking you to work with me. And when I say work, I mean a desk in the corner of my living room. I admit I may be a little bit obsessed with white shirts, but I'm definitely not obsessed with ironing. To be honest, I had a strong doubt about this video and if I should share my work as brand strategist for two main reasons. I don't think my work is as visually appealing as the work of graphic designers, where they can share the whole process of designing beautiful stuff, from logos to packaging, posters, everything. Brand strategist work is mostly pages and pages of text, doing research, analyzing different aspects, and planning the strategy for the brand. And let's be honest, looking at the blocks of the text is not as attractive in comparison to the work of graphic designers. But there are two stages that I think can look nice on YouTube, meaning creating a mood board and then the actual brand book. But here we come to the second reason I had my doubt, because in most cases I won't be able to show you the actual brand book, as it contains a long-term strategy, marketing guidelines, client acquisition, etc. And brands don't like to share this publicly, which is obviously understandable. Nevertheless, I want to show you as much as possible, of course without violating any NDAs. Idea is coming. Maybe we should create a brand from scratch. Then I can take you through the whole brand strategy process, show you every single step from coming up with ideas to actually launching the brand and then promoting the product. Like absolutely no gatekeeping. What do you think? If you like that idea, just let me know what kind of brand, what kind of product we should do. Just to let you know, I don't have Elon Musk budget, so starting second Tesla is not gonna happen. But I'm actually really excited for this, and if you want, you can get involved in the whole process, in the decision making, choosing direction, etc. It will be a very interesting journey that we can go on together. Actually, let me show you my little HQ. It's not big, but it's functional with many hidden drawers, so I can have everything on hand. Now I have a winter setup. I got this snowman mousepad from Catnip. My husband gave me this cute penguin pot. I have some lights and Christmas ornaments from my favorite artist. This is his collab with Celetti, and hopefully one day I'll be able to afford his proper piece, but for now this has to do. I start my day with checking emails, planning the task for the day, and a facial with For You Bear. So if I'm replying to your emails in the morning, you can be sure that my face was getting electrocuted while I was writing. As much as I love playing with makeup, the good thing is when you work from home, you don't have to do a full beat every single day, so your skin can breathe and enjoy your skincare routine. But since today I have a meeting with a client, well, it's gonna be on Zoom, but still, I don't wanna look stressed and depressed. So I'm gonna put a quick face on, nothing too crazy, no brows, fake lashes, and all that shebang. You know, just to look like a human being. Okay, the meeting is done. I think it went pretty well, just small adjustments and the product's gonna be done. I'm so excited. Now what I have to do is to take Miss Lulu for a walk and send out those boxes. I need to pack them first. Inside there are Christmas gifts for my international clients. I was able to give all my local clients the gift in person, and whenever you can do this in person, I think it's better because you're making a bigger impact and you are building those relationships tighter. But even if you cannot do it personally, it's nice to send out a Christmas gift to show appreciation to the people that you work with. And there was a crazy idea for a little moment to do a tour of Europe, to go to France, Germany and Poland and visit my clients and give them those boxes in person. But to be fair, I don't have time and I don't have that money. But maybe next year we'll see how the business gonna grow. So let's go send this out, and when I'm gonna come back, I think the last thing that I have to do for today is to work a bit on my fun project for my doggy. By the way, am I the only one who is addicted to berry Fanta? And to strawberry as well? For my fun project, I'm doing a home for my doggy. I've already made a logo, a banner that's gonna go on that house, and it's gonna be called Lulu's Corner, because obviously my dog is called Lulu. And now I wanna design the pattern for the canopy that's gonna go over it. And I'm not gonna lie, I am quite heavily inspired by certain luxury house. You're gonna see it in the second. So I know I wanna take the paw, but I wanna make it pink. So the paw is gonna be one of the elements, but we still need to design a few more. And I think as soon as I'm gonna finish this shape, I think you will know what brand I'm talking about. And we need some additional things, so I'm gonna go for this sparkle graphic. And now the important thing, we need to make logo for Lulu. For sure I need a serif font. No, this is too heavy. Maybe... Yes! I think this one's gonna be it. It's called Cardo and it's available in Canva. So that's gonna be the first part. Oh, actually... I'm gonna put this aside because I think by accident we already made it. The only sad thing with Canva is that you cannot adjust the letters. So I wish the U was a little bit tighter. Maybe it would work better. No. That's not it. And it's just me playing around, seeing what we can actually do with it. Obviously I would change the color so the elements would be more visible, but do I like it? I think I like this one when they are touching and there is more space here. So let's group this, make it pink and adjust the size. We have all the elements right now. Now I need to place them in the pattern. And we're gonna be done with Lulu's pattern for her little house and her canopy. So I'm gonna show you the final results in a moment. And here it is, the final result. I'm sure you know the brand that I was inspired by it, and I just hope they're not gonna sue me. But you know, it's just a fun project for my doggy, so let's chillax. And now I need to print this and actually build the house for my doggy. I'm gonna show you this when I'm gonna finish, probably in next or in 2 episodes. And that's it.